Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory. I'm your host, Sumbal Shazadi. Today, you are going to place for daily cake inspiration. Today, we are cooling down with 20 juicy and vibrant summer fruit cakes. You will absolutely love. Get ready for fruity fun, fresh toppings, and colorful cake vibes. Let's jump into. The first one is watermelon slice cake. Bright red sponge with green red design. Looks like a watermelon. The next is tropical mango mousse cake. Smooth bright yellow mango layers, light and creamy. The next is strawberry shortcake crepe cake. Layers of sponge, fresh strawberries and cream. A summer classic. The next is kiwi and coconut cake. Tropical twist with kiwi slices and coconut cream looks so fresh and juicy. The next is pineapple cream cake. Pineapple chunks inside and out topped with whipped cream, juicy and sweet. The next is fresh fruit explosion cake. Packed with berries, grapes and more on top. Colorful and loaded. The next is lemon raspberry cake. Tangy lemon sponge with raspberry filling, a refreshing duo. The next is berry necked cake, rustic style of strawberries, blueberries, and cream, light and beautiful. The next is peach cobbler inspired cake, soft vanilla cake with peach topping and crumble, perfect for sunny days. If you like any idea, take a screenshot of it and bake that cake. The next is dragon fruit dream cake. Stunning pink and white contrast, fruity and exotic. Wow factor guaranteed. The next is cherry blossom fruit decorated with cherries and soft pink petals. Sweet and elegance. The next is orange citrus cake. Zesty orange glaze over fluffy sponge, simple and bright. The next is fig and honey cake. Fancy summer dessert with fresh fig and golden honey drizzle. Elegant and rich. The next is mango berry delight cake. Layers of mango and berry mousse with jelly top. Soft and fruity. The next is fruit basket panto cake. Mini cake packed with tiny fresh fruits, perfect for gifting. The next is summer fruit cheesy cake. Creamy, no big style, the full fruit on top layer, cold and creamy. These designs are so easy to bake. You can try any one of it at home easily. The next is blueberry swirl cake. Blueberry pure swirl into vanilla batter. Pretty and flavorful. The next is strawberry limonda cake. Inspired by the drink, bright yellow with pink strawberry cream, sweet and tangy. The next is mixed fruit jelly cake. Fruit pieces inside clear jelly layer, super fun, eye-catching and light. The next is grapefruit and vanilla cake. Pale pink sponge with citrus glaze and white flowers, fresh, floral and chic. Which summer fruit was your favorite, or which cake idea in these you like the most? Tell us in the comment below. We love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video and share this video to your loved ones, and subscribe to Cakes Factory for more daily designs, ideas, tutorials and themed inspiration only on Cakes Factory. And hit the bell icon so you never miss any update or amazing idea which you can bake for your favorite person. Thank you for watching. Hope so you enjoyed this video and the coming video also. Surely you will. And enjoy your sweet summer days. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, take care of yourself and share your love with your favorite person by baking a cake of their favorite fruit. Till that, goodbye.